In today's video, I will be showing you how to share a screen on Discord. So all you have to do is to simply log into your Discord account. And as you can see here, we have options down below. And in order for you to share your screen on Discord, you just have to look at this option here. Now we have also applications and screen. So just tap any, and then once done, all you have to do is to click live or go live. Okay, so that's it. For example, you wanted to share Spotify or let's just say YouTube or Netflix. All you have to do is, of course, to open that. Okay, so I'm going to show you an example. So if you're going to show YouTube, Spotify, or whatsoever, all you have to do is to click this applications here. Okay, and then tap the second screen and then go live. Now, people or your friends on Discord can probably see your screen here or what you're sharing on your screen. So they can see it like full or they can see it this way. So it depends on you. So that's it. Now, if you cannot see that option, we have another way or another method here. You just have to go to your settings and look for registered name, okay, which is under activity settings. Okay, tap this one. And then you can see here edit. Now you can add whatever it is. Spotify, you can also add Google if you want. So this is the second method. And then people can probably see what you are doing on your Discord. Okay, and the third is if you can see options like that, then you can now go to your settings and look for voice and video. And you have to make sure that in this area, all of this are turned on because that could be the reason why you encounter problems sometimes, especially when it comes to sharing your screen. So I do really hope that this video, if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.